We got Vanda from Cambodia. Pa-Pa-Pa-Palaban. This was recommended in the Discord. This was recommended in the Discord by Riri. See what this bit hitting for.
Let's go! Bago na ang panahon, ibang-iba mula noon. Mula noon. Hindi na uso ang papayag lang, mananahimik lang ganon.
Okay, hold up, I hear you.
Natutunang lumaban, di na nagpapaiwan, no. Marunong ang mga tuwiran, di maiisahan, oh no. Hindi matatapakan at hindi bastang masasaktan.
Come on. Talk that talk. Oh my gosh, bro, I love when girlies do this. Like, I love when girlies have a look that remind me of like some type of queen, whether it's an Egyptian queen or some type of European. Like, I just love seeing women like dressed up and looking like super, super fancy. Come on. Yeah. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Come on. Come on. I like this video. This is one of those songs that is empowering you. Yes, I'm talking about you or women in general to really stand up, be their own person and handle business. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can't do nothing but respect that because I feel like that's something that's been a trending theme lately, especially with the way the world going. This is y'all's time to really, you know, this is gonna really challenge everybody. I feel like not even just women, but I feel like because women fighting for so much right now and the world going through so much, this is gonna show us, you know what I'm saying? This is gonna show us who really want it, who really gonna stand on business. And that's what they saying. We the type, we can stand on our own 2 feet. We don't need nobody to come in and help us or do none of that extra shit because we gonna handle business. Come on.
Bago man ang panahon, handang-handa sa bawat hamon. Come on, come on,
Come on.
Hindi mo pa mawari, panahong pinaglaban ni Silang, kwento ko pa sa'yo mga nangyari.
Yeah.
Sa bukabularyo, ang babae ka lang, pagkat walang kasarian.
Come on, hold up. She say, you are just a woman, not even in my vocabulary. Don't play with me like I'm some hoe. Hold up.
Sa'yo mga nangyari, sa bukabularyo, ang babae ka lang, pagkat walang kasarian, ang pagiging matabang. We Filipino killer, Filipino winner. In this day and age, you can't just say wala sa na. We independent, working our way up. Pushing it right under your time.
I like when they slow it down. Come on. Uh-oh.
Di basta mapapaandaran.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh shit. That's a crazy edit.
Pa-Pa-Pa-Palaban, Pa-Pa-Pa-Pa-Papadaan. Nung tatatandaan, kami yung tipo na hindi basta mapapaandaran. Pa-Pa-Pa-Palaban, Pa-Pa-Pa-Pa-Papadaan. Nung tatatandaan, kami yung tipo na hindi basta mapapaandaran.
Oh my gosh.
Hindi na uupo at maghihintay lang.
Come on.
Kami ang tipo na di mahina. Kaya ay maghanda. Heto na ang mga palaban.
Oh, hold up. Okay, Chris.
Pa-Pa-Pa-Palaban, Pa-Pa-Pa-Pa-Papadaan. Kung tatatandaan,
Come on.
kami yung
This
tipo
bit
na
groovy.
hindi basta mapapaandaran. Pa-Pa-Pa-Palaban, Pa-Pa-Pa-Pa-Papadaan.
shit, not the death drop. Okay, they did their shit on this bit. I love the lingo, bro. The accents. I think that's one thing that's really that I love about myself. I love different cultures. It's so cool to see like the different foods, like, and the crazy thing is everybody human, but everybody like come from different places and cultures and backdrops. It's so cool, bro. Like the way people's accents are, like, oh, I don't know. And it's like, I still be able to hear like they own that bit. Like the vocals still sound beautiful to me. Like I love being able to, like, it's improved my reading skills so much by just reacting to content, bro. Like it's cool. It's cool. I definitely got to learn some different languages though, because I wonder how I would sound with, you know, a little accent.